Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about determiners, and that is your fifth lesson. Do you know that what is the meaning of determiner? Meaning of determine is to decide strongly that I have to do this. So at first we have to know that what is determiners. So by the definition we can better understand that what is determiner. Determiners are the parts of speech. What is determiner? Are the parts of speech in which articles, pronouns and adjectives are described. Okay, in by second definition you can also define it: a word that comes before a noun to show how the noun is being used is known as determiners. Okay, so I think that by these both example you have understood that what is determiners. After knowing that the definition of determiners, we are going to know the kinds of article. At first we have to know that what is articles. So you can define it by this sentence: articles are member of a group of words called determiners that are used before nouns. Article always used before nouns. So this is the definition of articles. After that we have to know how many kinds of articles. So I hope that all of you know that there are two kinds of articles. First one is definite article, and second one is indefinite article. So at first we have to know the pronunciation of definite articles. All of us are always being confused to pronounce the definite articles. Sometimes we are pronouncing the and sometimes we are pronouncing the. So it is better that we should confirm that where we have to pronounce the and where we have to pronounce the. If the word you are writing the, if the word the is used before a consonant, if the word the is used before a consonant, then we pronounce it the. Okay, I hope you better understand. I am also giving you example. As example, you are looking, he is the Shakespeare of India. He is the Shakespeare of India. So you are looking, Shakespeare is written at first letter is the consonant, and before that the is used. So that time we have to pronounce it the, not the. Okay, and if the is used before vowel sound, then we pronounce the. The is used before vowel, then we pronounce the. By the example, this is the ant. This is the ant. Ant is written by the first letter. What is first letter? A. So we have pronounced it the. So I hope by this example you have understood that where we have to pronounce the and where we have to pronounce the. After that, knowing the kinds of articles and the pronunciation of articles, we have to know the position of articles, where we can place the articles. It is very important topic for us, because without knowing we cannot place articles anywhere. Okay, so first, article is used just before a noun. Article is used just before a noun, that means before a naming word. In the example you are looking, give me a book. Book is what? Noun. So before that we have used article a. that is indefinite article. In second example, if there is an adjective before noun, then article is used just before adjective. In first sentence I have told you that article is used just before a noun, and in second I am telling you that article is used just before an adjective. Okay, just before an adjective which is just before noun. यानी कि noun के पहले अगर कोई adjective word है तो वहाँ पर हम लोग आर्टिकल को प्लेस करेंगे, एडजेक्टिव के पहले प्लेस करेंगे. इन एग्जाम्पल यू आर लुकिंग, दिस इज अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल. दिस इज अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल. यू आर लुकिंग दैट स्कूल इज नाउन एंड ओल्ड इज एडजेक्टिव. सो just before it we have to use article. This is a very old school. After that we have to know that what are the third rules for placing the articles. If there is an adjective before noun and there is adverb before adjective, then article will be placed before adverb. Very simple. In first sentence I have taught you that before a noun. In second I have taught you that before adjective if there is adjective before noun, and in third I am telling you it is placed before an adverb if there is noun, if there is adjective, and if before that there is adverb, then we will place article before adverb. In example you are looking, he is an extremely kind man. He is an extremely kind man. In sentence you are looking, man is noun, kind is adjective, and extremely is what? Extremely is adverb. So before extremely we have to put the article. So I hope you have understood that where we can place the articles. I am going to continue this topic. So in fourth I am teaching you that article is generally come just after all, both, such, and double and half. That means if in a sentence there is all, both, such, double and half, then article will be placed after these words. As example you are looking, all the boys are there. All the boys are there. You are looking, article is just after all. If you have to write a sentence by using double, such, then you will place article after such and double. Okay. Now in last I am teaching you, I am telling you, if in a sentence adjective comes after how, so, and to, then article comes after adjective and before noun. Do you understand? If in a sentence article comes after how, so, and to, then article comes after adjective and before noun. You are looking in a sentence, how fine a day. How fine a day. So what is noun? Day is noun. And what is adjective? Fine is adjective. And you are looking between these two words I have placed article. So you have to also place the article between adjective and noun. Thank you for today, and the rest part of this chapter will be continued in my next class. Thank you for today.